So let's import NumPy as np, and we are also going to import our Pandas as pd. So these are our important libraries. So we'll import our matplotlib later on. So I am going to load the data set. So let's say read underscore csv, and I have a CSV file name heart.csv in the same folder. So let's see the rows and columns of this data frame dot shape. So that's one. So you can see that 303 rows and 14 columns. So let's see the name of the columns, df.columns. Okay, so you can see the name of the columns. So let's print the data types of this df.dtypes. So it will print all the data types. So old pick as float 64. Similarly, I am going to use a head. So let me see the first 5 rows of this data set. So you can see it is giving the first 5 over here, first 5 rows. Similarly, we can also print the tail, df.tail. So it will print the last 5 rows. So let's use the isnull method to see if there is any null value in the column. So df.isnull any. So it is giving all the values as false, none of the value is null. So let's see the info of the columns. So df.info will print all the information. So you can see here all the information, data types and all. So let's use the describe method to see the basic statistic. df.describe .t. So this returns the basic statistics on numeric columns like the standard deviation, max value, mean, count, etc. So now we will see the data visualization. For that we will be importing our matplotlib. So let me comment data visualization. So I am going to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt matplotlib dot. So now I am going to also import seaborn as SNS. So I am going to create a new variable figure. So let me call plt dot figure, and let's put the figure size, and let's say 15, 15. Okay. So now let's make a variable ax, and we'll use cga. Okay. So g equals df dot ax equals ax. So let's run the program and see the output. So it is taking a little time because there are many graphs. So it is printing one by one. So you can see over here all the graphs. Okay.